Everybody, Virginia Railfan here, calling from Ashland, Virginia. Looks like we got Amtrak 158 coming northbound. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. $179 leaders. Oh, I can't eat it, but I do appreciate it. Tell them I said thank you.
Yeah, I still want my dollar.
I got you. I won't forget. All right, everybody. 158 getting ready to depart Ashland. Well, everybody, hope you enjoyed the video of Amtrak 158 arriving there and departing Ashland and going north. Thank you for watching. See you down the rails.